So what I do, I'm just explain from very much from very starting. I'm explaining those who join very late. I take the Matplotlib, PyPlot library, I mean Python plotting. Then what I do, I just import just a version. All right. Then what I do, I just create a data for x-axis. Similarly, data for y-axis. What we have to show over here, in x-axis I put that month's name, and on y-axis I put the rainfall figure, any numeric data. Then I use pld.plot function, and then pld.show. When these four lines are combined, which one, x, y, pld.plot and show, just give me some chart. But this chart is incomplete, is uninformative. We know this is month name, but we don't know what is this figure. We don't know its title. So we have to put all these things over here. Okay, so what thing we have to put over here, we have to put the naming of axis, x label, y label, and title. See where we have to put this one. I just put plt.x label. What x label I have the month name, month. Then plt.y label, y label. What I put, I just put the temperature or rainfall. All right. Then what I do, plt.title, title. All right. So what happened, what I do is title monthly rainfall analysis, monthly rainfall analysis. Okay, so when I run these things, when I add these three things, label, y label, title, so when I run these things, now you got your perfect thing. It is month, it is rainfall, I mean it's numeric, rainfall unit is millimeter. All right, then we have monthly rainfall analysis. All right, so what we see, we take x values, y values. Okay, now more enhancing this chart. How we enhancing this chart, change the color of line, change the color of line. So what I do, I will use the attribute color, where, in plot function. Okay, I will just put the colors on third parameter. It's x parameter, x coordinate, y coordinate, and parameter. I just put the r for red. So you got the red line. Okay, or either you put the red or you put the blue. The name of parameter is c. I hope it's c. Yeah, perfect. C equal to blue, something else. Okay. After this one, we have marker. What marker you want? What kind of marker? What is marker? When the line is going to be joined. I'm not putting over here. I will explain one by one. Okay. Change the color of line, adding the marker, adding the marker. Keep eye what I'm coding. If necessary, write down. Those person who don't know may suggest it to write down. Adding one more thing, marker equal to what kind of thing data means here. Here the where the point is joined, nothing is producing. It's just corner. So in place of corner, I can put any marker over here. Various kind of markers available: star, plus, ovals. I just put the ovals. Oh, small o. When you do this thing, so you can see we have O over here. Instead of this thing, you can also put any symbol, just like you want to put the star. So put the star over here. Check this one. A star will be there. And even joining. What happened? Any message? Right. Okay. Plus, if you do want to take the plus, so you can put capital P. I think capital P stands for plus. Plus over here. All right. The first thing, x coordinate, y coordinate, then color, then marker. Then now in that case we have line style also. Means how do I add line style in line chart? Okay, so check this one. uh Next parameter is line style. Line style, actually it's what exactly is name. Go to documentation. Somewhere you got the line style parameter, line width, marker, line style, this one. Either you type dashed or you type, I just copy all the things. Okay, because later on I need this parameter one by one. I have to demolish this parameter one by one. Just put all the parameter in comment section. Okay, so line style equal to double dash. All right, so what happened, you can see, find that line style is double dash. Okay, you can explain the line width, marker size. What is line width? How you width, put your width your line. What is marker size? The marker you available over here, how much kind of width you want to appear over here. Okay, so it's up to you. Sometimes making a more width of line is not appropriate, making more width of marker it's not appropriate. Okay, so this is one kind of way we can do anything. Now the question is, guys, if we have a two lines, so what can I do? If we have two lines, so what can I do? How to handle two lines in a single plot? Handle two lines in single plot. Okay, let's check. I'm copying. Yes, please.
Sir, Shivangi this side.
Yes, please.
Uh, sir, can you please show the code once? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So here you have written line style is equal to dash dash, and
Mm-hmm.
then again after plt dot show, it's line style equal to dash. So we have to specify twice.
Where?
So one is
Okay, okay.
after
This is
marker.
comment. This is comment. This is comment. Nothing else. Okay. This is comment. Check this one. Okay, I just copy that one and I put over here. ये आप लोग सब देख लो कौन कौन से कमेंट मीन्स पैरामीटर होते हैं. ऑलराइट, nothing else. Alright, so the motive behind this, you can use the line width in that sequence, marker size that sequence. Okay, one more shortcut of this thing. If you don't want to put anything separately, so what you do, mm, remove all these things. Check this one. Remove all these things. I need red, ovals, ovals, and dash dash. Red, ovals, and dash dash. I combine all these things. Which one? Color, marker, and line style. So what do we get? All right, so instead of these things also supportive to that, any more joining people? I hope someone is new. I mean, 40 strength are there. Anyone new? Right, yes please. Anyone new in this batch? Only one people which I interact already. Okay, all of the because your strength is 40 today. Okay, now how to put two lines? Okay, two lines. Okay, what I do here, I just want to compare these data. What problem statement is that? I want to compare the rainfall of 2 years. Let's suppose 2020 and 2019. So let's suppose I am taking this data 2020. Why 2020? Means y values or rainfall values for year 2020. Same way we have to create a one more thing 2019. What 9? So what we happen, I have to update data because we have to show the fluctuations. Month name will be same in the both here. Okay, so what I do, I just take different data 33, 89, 56, 21, 25, and one more that is 50. Okay, just I change the rainfall for both here, keeping the month name same. Okay, now what I do, plt dot plot. Here x will be the same, but y is changing to 030. Again, I'm taking about data. Control V, just put the 19 over here. Removing this one, I just put the red O dash dash. I take the blue dash O, B dash and blue ovals and without dash. All right. Okay. Let's see what I do. I just take month name common. I just change the data for the 2020 19 because we have to compare. So in single plot, I have to compare both. All right. And both time I put the ovals. Ovals means what marker will be there, just like this oval. One case blue continuous line, second case red dash line. Okay, let's see what output is here. Okay, nothing is there, so I have to put dash. Yes, that's better. Dash is better. Okay. So what happened? You can see now two lines are there, but one problem you find over here. There is nothing to show me what is blue line corresponding for and what is red line corresponding for. So whenever you have a multiple line and you want to show what is blue line, just suppose we know the blue line for 2019 and red line for 20. So what I do, we have to put a box inside this box on the legend. Okay, so what I do, again coding, I mean just I am modifying code same way. What I do, I am adding the legend, LEZND legend function, which accept the label from plot function. Okay, so what I do, I just add one more parameter over here, label. Very good. In label, I am adding that this data belong to 2020, year 2020, and same way the next data belong to year 2019. All right, check this one, 2019. Okay, now we have to add the plt dot legend. All right, check this one. So this is the thing which makes your chart very beautiful. Here, any reader become more informative. That what happened, the blue line, this dot giving the data for 2019 rainfall, and this dash line is 20. So what happened if you want to compare the February of both year? So what happened, you find the February of 2019 has a more rainfall compared to year 2020. Based on this one, I'm sharing this code, entirely code in the chat box, and giving the problem. Oh, Ranjit, I'm suffered from Kona. Ranjit, I will wish that you will get back soon, get well soon. Okay, and no problem. I am with you. Any topic you don't understand, any confusion, you can ask me. You can mail me. All right. Sunday session we have query session, so no problem. You please take care of your health. Do not take tension over here. I will taking care of everything. All right. So take this code, take this code, run, and I am giving you right now one problem based on this thing. Okay, okay. I'm giving you 5 minutes to make this kind of chart. Okay, you can take color according to you. The marker is oval. Okay, and the legend box outside the chart. So we can put this legend box inside this one. This have the four line. So you have the four plot function. Okay, I'm also giving you this URL. If you want to open this URL, where what happened? Where will I get Jupiter, sir? Priyanka, this is not suitable time to ask this question because lots of thing is previously occurred. I will tell you at the end of session. Okay, just wait. Today you only see the session, and at the end I will tell you everything. All right, just wait. So I'm sending you guys. I'm sending you this link. You have to open this image, and I'm giving you 5 minutes. Code I shared, and I want that you guys give me the good thing. Look like this, not exactly, just like this. Okay, and one more thing, that you can put your this kind of legend over here. It will automatically adjust it, either left side or right side where it's have a what we say space. It will be adjusted. All right. So time start now. It's 8:35. Mohammed Osman, please shut down your camera. Mohammed Osman, please shut down your camera. Okay, that's good. All right. So give me this kind of figure. The time start now. It's 8:35. I'm giving you just 5 minutes. Okay, I'm catching you on 8:40 until you have to create this kind of figure. Which kind? This kind. You can take data accordingly. Data is just increasing, not overlapping. So what kind of figure you? So then I will allow any one person to share their screen so that we can see what kind of data is given over here. All right, I hope you got all the this images. You code. Priyanka Power, I will give you answer of this question. Okay, then you can do accordingly. 5 minutes are there on my clock. It's 8:35, so you can do this thing 8:40. Please share your screen, Venkesh. Other students keep trying this one. Okay. Okay. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Yeah, it's loading now. Yes, yes, okay, perfectly. So we have to zoom this thing. I hope it's not loading. No, 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 that's good. Please zoom, little bit zoom. Please, little bit zoom. Yeah, but just it. Okay. So January, February, March, April. This one. Percentage range. So where is your PLT dot legend? Put the PLT dot legend after PLT dot title. Put PLT dot legend after PLT dot title. Where you put PLT dot legend, and then PLT dot show is remaining also. I sended you code. Okay, 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 okay. That's good. Thank you, dear. Whose work is done? Confirm me. Whose work is done? Confirm me. Wow. Who's Sabyasachi is rocking. That's good. Let me check. Other student not suggested to copy this code. Okay. Give your own code. Wow. Good. Clapping for 5 side. Yes, please. Actually, you have to stretch the figure. I mean, if you stretch the figure, it is automatically it will occupy that space where is the automatically space is there. I don't think so. It's a customizable. See, you don't overlay space compared to this side. When we stretch the figure, it automatically shifted. Sometimes right down corner, right upper corner, any corner. Okay, I will show you, demonstrate you when we put the PLT dot figure dimension of this one. Then you can see it's a moving, not a stationary. This one. Okay. Okay. Any other people? Send me code. Tejashri, what you send me? Yeah, I think you send me. Okay, done. Same code. Why no different code. Okay, there. Ashish Solanki is also doing rock. Okay, done. Any more people? Only four, five. Akash Kanoji, I think you are missing the half code. You put the half code. Akash Kanoji, half code. Shudani shoes. You get decade over here. Perfect. Alright, Akash Kanoji. That's good. Perfect. Clapping for all of you. PLD dot show. I mean, whose person is it? Miss Pratima, met to Pratima. PLD dot show contain the bracket. Okay. So put the parenthesis over here. Alright, good. Now, more attribute which affect my chart. Okay, the first attribute which affect my chart is my dimension. Okay, how to set the dimension for this one? Okay, set it. Okay, sometimes it looks very blurring type. Okay, we have to stretch the figure. Set the dimension. Okay, not zoom one. Put your zoom on 100%. So this is actual this one. I basically put zoom 125 150 because it is visual to you, but it is not my question. How to set the dimension? Okay, so setting the dimension, setting dimension for line chart. Okay, what I do over here, uh I have the one parameter plt dot figure. Okay, what it do, this will create a canvas. Okay, inside I put the fixed size. Fixed size, it will take a tuples. What tuples? How much width you want to put and how much height you want to put. All right, so it will works in inches. I Let's suppose I am taking the width of 10 inches and height of 5 inches. Which figure? The same figure which I got from Sabyasachi. Okay, check this one. All the code. Okay, so it will create a canvas of this dimension. Inside this dimension, this will put this code. Check this one. Okay, space over here, so automatically it is coming over here. But I am just trying one more code. I mean, let's suppose checking the legend. Miss Pratima, what is name? Pratima, yes. All right, okay, so I'm getting this code over here and I'm putting the same fixed size. Then see what impact on legend, where the space is there, because what data you take and what data this code take will be there. Legend over there, provide label code. Okay, plt dot show. See Savisachi. Here this Pratima's code, you can check over here. This the space already over here. So keep in mind the exactly position is this. Where is it loading? But beside this, if you don't over a space here, so it will put automatically here. It will put over here any corner, not in between. It is maintain any corner over there. All right. So this is up to okay. So thing is solved resolved over here. I just take this one and stretch the figure so that when you stretch the figure, so clarity of thing is there. And second thing, when you have the data on x-axis, just like January February, you have lesser width, so data is going to be overlap. So we have to see this thing, make our chart beautiful. So we have to produce a space between this one. Which one? This. That's why I stretch this one along this side more. Got it? Similarly, you can adjust the figure or dimension of. Okay, the next part is subplot, very important. Subplot. What is subplot? Very good concept. When we divide, when we divide our canvas. What is canvas? I just asking. Canvas is the original frame. Original. Yes, Shavik. What? What? Last thing? Which thing? Dear, I just start. I just start a subplot. Just start. Okay. So I
Nothing in your admin.
okay, no, no. So what is canvas? Canvas is this frame known as a canvas. Okay, and when we divide our canvas into multiple plots known as the subplots, this is one subplot, this is second subplot. Okay, so the important thing is that how many row and how many column and how to put the index. We can put one more thing over here, we can put one more thing over here, one more plot over here, one more plot over here. Why we put this thing one more like that? We have to put the side by side comparison. What happened here? What happened here? The thing is overlapping. Okay, you have to compare, that's a good thing, but you want to don't compare and you want to see the four chart. So instead chart creating multiple chart again and again, you can embed all four chart into one. That's the thing we have to learn. So what happened if I have this kind of canvas and I have to divide this canvas into multiple charts? So we have to decide how many row and how many columns are there. So this is two rows and two columns. Good. So what first index you taking over here? What first index? Two rows, two columns, and the first. That is very important. Again, two rows, two column, second. Two rows, two column, third. Two rows, two column, fourth. So this number 1, 2, 3, 4, that is important. Kindly take the screenshot of this one because this will help you in next code. This will help you in next code. What I'm code going to be do. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir? I didn't get it.
Uh, from where you don't get it. I mean,
This 2 comma 2 comma 2 what you're writing, na, sir?
yeah. This is this
What?
is this is row and column. A subplot
What?
row and column, two rows and two column. Then inside two row and column, which one occupy over here? We have to put the index one. 2, 2, 1. Which one of here? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. This way when we have,
Acha, quadrant you're dividing.
yeah, same way if you have, I will demonstrate everything because that's a thing we have to learn. Matplotlib controlling. See, chart is creating any library, but controlling is provide the matplotlib. So just like we have one more canvas like this one, we have to divide this canvas into three one, 1, 2, 3. So what we have? One rows and three column. All right. So 1, 3, 1. I will work on both. 1, 3, 2. Second one. 1, 3, 3. Take a screenshot of this one also because this index will be helpful. All right. Okay. Now, what I do when we divide our canvas into a small plots, then it is known KNOWN as subplot. All right. See how it is turning your plot in beautiful way. Okay. So first thing PLT dot figure. Let's decide two by two. Okay. First, just I put. Uh, let's decide two by two. I just zooming my so that you can two rows two column. Okay, plt dot figure. Okay, and then fix size equal to tuples. See, we have two rows two column, so I take little bit big, 10 comma 10-inch width and 10-inch height. First is width, second is height. Keep in mind. Now plt dot subplot. Okay, what I do? Two rows two column one. Little bit unzoom. Yeah, two rows two column one. Two rows two column two. Two rows two column three. Two rows two column four. So all index is completed. Two rows two column four, and then plt dot show. So let's see the foundation. Check this foundation. In one canvas, you have these blank four figure, and we have to fill this figure. Okay, so four subplot is created because what you write after this, it will be filled up. Okay, so let's see. I'm taking same the first line chart. Okay, somewhere from the good looking one, this one. Okay, so I have 4 year data and I have to compare side by side. Okay, the problem statement is I have 4 year data and using subplot I have to check this one. So this is year 2020. Check this one now. Coding going to be very complex. I will give you all code in chat box. Just wait. Okay, here 20 and this is my figure. I take the color equal to blue, marker equal to yellow. Perfect. Rainfall, and I put the title, mm, year, or I just take year 2020. Just only this one because now legend will be disappear. We are not merging multiple line in a single pot. We are just putting different. Okay. All right. So what I do, January, February, March, April. Let me cross check. Please, keep your eyes also over here. Sometime I make a mistake, so you can let me know. Okay. The first thing over here in second plot, month will be same. Okay. Variable is same. Just I manipulate some data. Okay. I take color equal to red, C equal to red, red or R. Okay. Now the title will be 19. Perfect. Again, copy this code. Control V. Variable will save. No problem. So I'm making one more mistake. You have to point out this thing. Please do not put because I just separated this one. What variable you put over here? Nothing tension over here. X Y X Y X Y X Y X Y X Y. This one and one more. This is 18 rainfall. Then one more thing is this. My motive behind to alterate some data so that you can see the changes over here. Hmm. 33, 60, 50, 70, 20. They are same. So I take 10, 30, then 80, then 20. Okay, no different. Year 2020, this data blue, 19
So
red.
last the title must be 2017.
Yes. Just I'm cross checking till 2018. Okay, so again we have to change the data. That is at 23 and 75 and 90, then 120 the highest, then 140, a little bit range are high. Okay, so here we have red color. I take this one is green and this one is black, and then the rain data is 17. Okay, let me cross check one more time. So first of all, first subplot says that I have the year of 2020, x and y blue color, marker equal to O. That's good. Again x and y, color equal to red, marker equal to yellow. Okay, marker equal to yo. Year, year, green. Perfect. Let's see what happened with me. Wow, great. If I little bit unzoom this thing, so now you can see the power of this matplotlib. Side by side you are getting. Okay, one more thing, analyze the axis of y. See, x-axis is common, January, February, March, April, May, June. But what happened here, according to the data, the y-axis value adjusting 10, okay, 20 to 70, 10 to 80, and 20 to 140. It's available data. Okay, I'm sharing my code to you.
So,
Yes, please.
so just for the confirmation that the fixed size 10 by 10 means the entire chart will take the space of 10 rows and 10 columns.
No rows, it's inches. It's inches. 10 rows width, not rows, it's 10 inch and 10-inch height. Okay, just like a previous one you can go. Previous one you can go. So 10 inches width and how much put? I put a 5 inches height. 5 inches height. Okay, so I hope entire code is not going. Yeah. Okay, I'm just sharing one more time because Google Meet have the chat limit. Okay, I'm splitting my code in two way. Okay, do not copy that one. Control C, put over here. Okay, perfect. Okay, after this 19, I have, okay, copy one by one and try your own. Take this one. Okay, now I'm catching the second task. Second figure means I have 1 into 3. 1 into 3 means one row and three column. So just index is setting, nothing else. I just copy all the thing. Control C, putting over here. Okay, so I'm just removing last one because I need only three. So what happened? I just change index, one rows three column first, one rows three column second, and one rows three column third. And I have to change dimension this one, 12 width and 5 height. Okay, perfectly. So little bit more compress. I just because height is little bit more and compared to width approximately come. Yeah, that is it. Good one. Okay, again take this code. I hope all this code will be allowed. Google Meet. Not yet. Not yet. 3 by 3 is not populating completely. Check this one and then this one. Okay, check this one. Same thing. You can compare side by side.
Sir, the day we were writing that plt dot hist, no sir.
Mm, for which one? Which one?
Yesterday we were plotting that histogram, right, sir?
Yeah, no, that is not PLT. That is a data frame dot hist. Data frame variable
Yes.
dot hist.
In that hist also, which I showed for the complete data set, you were saying that it is showing very small. We cannot understand. In that also, if you can give the condition fixed size is equal to.
There is a parameter, but I think we are running with pandas 1 point something. Okay, so I think I don't have the.
That was the history one we were checking, no, sir, yesterday for that
Yes, yes,
history.
yes. But the industrial norm says that whenever you have to resize the data frame chart, please do the matplotlib subplot. Please do the
Hello.
matplotlib subplot.
Okay.
Okay, so let's suppose I'm solving this problem yesterday. What I left behind you, all histogram in using a subplots. All histogram. Let me try and I will try to do this thing. I'm just uploading a data set of diabetic over here. Hmm, where's my IIBM? Then pandas. I just upload a diabetic over here. Okay, upload. So either you copy paste manually by the folder or you upload. Both things are same. Okay. So what I do, I'm reading my data frame variable. Then df equal to pd dot read csv diabetic. All right. I will use draw the histogram with the help of what data frame, but try to do it's a subplotting. Right. So what I do, I just maintain a call list call equal to df dot columns. All right. So what we have columns. Perfect. So what I do, I take the how many columns? See, last one is not allowed. It's outcome classification column. So I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven column. So what I do, I just take for I in range range length of call removing the last column, that is outcome. All right. Before this, I have to set the plt dot figure, plt dot figure fixed size equal to, see, I have the 7 plots. So what I'm going to do over here, 7 plots, I'm arranging 3 comma 3 comma 7. Yeah, if I'm arranging the 7 plots, mm, 2 rows 4 column, that is better. 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is better approach. So 2 rows 4 column. So what I do, plt dot 2 rows 4 column, what I put here, 12 comma 5. Let's see, plt dot subplot 2 rows 4 column comma I plus 1. 2 rows, what I plus 1, because in length start from 0, so at least first index is 1. Okay, now df square bracket call of I dot hist, not hist, not plot, dot hist. We have to follow the approach. One more thing remaining, plt dot shows. Okay, plt dot shows is remaining over here out of this one. Plt dot show, yes, perfectly. Okay, so you can find over here. Okay, x label is missing, yes. So plt dot x label is missing, the so I have to put the column name. What column name I have, that is my x label. Okay, a little bit it is stretched. 12 to 14 is possible, and 5 to 6 is possible. Yes, little bit, but ultimately, actually, 4 more plot are more than sufficient. You have to put the 3 over here. Okay, 3 over here. So if you want to put 3 over here, so 3 rows 3 column, I take 3 rows 3 by 3. So I have to increase the height more. 10. Yeah, this is a proper way. Every frequency are different. You can even put the title over there. So this is one way you can put the title. I mean, many approach are there, but follow this approach. Look like little bit professional, little bit good, and you see everything over here. Okay, take this code. What I do, I just take this one. Try to do with me. All right. Now, how to after this, how to crop the axis? Okay, what cropping the axis? If I am taking an example of this one, cropping the axis value, cropping the axis value. What is this? Okay, so what happened if I'm putting this one? All right, what happened? PLR. Okay, this is PLT. Okay, so what is cropping of this one? Okay, instead of this one, I take the x-axis as a numeric one. So I take 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just perfect. Okay, so on this much we have value from 10 to 60 and this one. So we have two function, xlim comma ylim. What this function do? This function accept a value from 2 on x axis, from which value to which value you want to see the value. Removing, it will remove. Okay, again from 2. Check this one. If I need these value, I want to check my chart between 2 to 4, and here 30 to 60. 2 to 4 on x-axis, 30 to 60 on y-axis. So what I do, all right. So I hope I put here plt dot xlim. Okay, x limitation 2 to 4. So 2 comma 4. Similarly, plt dot ylim. Again, from where, 30 to 60. I want 30 to 60. So all the data which are included in this range will be visible. Otherwise, the remaining is excluded. So only this line you getting over here. 2 to 4. I think what happened? I mistake over there. 2 to 4, 30 to 60. Let me remove this thing. Check this one. It take 2 to 4 this section. 2 to 4. Okay. Only this section. Alright. And 30 to 40. 30 to 60. This section. Okay. That's this only section is visible to you. That's why it is showing this section. Alright. So you can see particularly range. How you take the range? You can take the range over here. 2 to 4 x2, this one. So using this range, this is xlim and ylim function, you can crop your axis according to your need. All right, take this code. Muhammad Usman, you are asking something. Muhammad Usman, any query from your side? All right, okay. So now, how to save my image? How to save my image? Okay, so we have a function which used to save the image. Can anyone tell me which function I have to save the image? savefig. And keep in mind, it will take always, it will save the figure in .png format. Okay, high graphics image. Let's see. I'm gathering this image, getting this image. Okay, and I have to save this image. Save this image. So what I do, plt dot savefig. Okay, rainfall. It will save this thing in my working directory. Okay, in this directory, it will save rainfall.png and this code, and always keep this save fig code above the show. Okay, when you run this thing, you got rainfall.png over here, and you can open this figure anywhere, you can copy paste anywhere like that. All right, sharing this code to you. PNG is a restriction. I try to save in JPG, but it returned me the error. So PNG is a supportive format so that you can save your figure over there. All right, now come on the scatter chart. Scatter chart. SCATTER chart. CHART. What is scatter chart? A scatter chart is basically used to show the dots over here. What dots you are over here? Okay. So again, I'm turning this thing into scatter. But a scatter chart is basically used to get more insight from the line chart. Line chart, when you apply on data set, it shows a zigzag format. What scatter chart do? Scatter chart just shows you better thing. You have to use the function scatter. Otherwise, all things will be same. It shows you dot in the form of dot. What parameter have? X, Y, C, marker, size. We want to put the size x equal to 50. So what kind of size you want to show over here? You have to put the 100. So these marker gone up. You put the marker triangle. Just copy this one. Same thing. What we do a line chart. Same thing. Subplotting. Same figure size. Same x limb, y limb. Everything is same. Okay. I just take the triangle and color equal to red. This shows me triangle of this one. Okay. So it's up to you what kind of thing. But as I told you, very good important note. Line chart never reflect the inside NISIGHT from data set, but scatter chart do this thing very good way. How? Let's do with the problem statement. Okay, so I have a problem statement. Analyze analyze the behavior of glucose and age for diabetic and non-diabetic person. Okay, so what problem statement? We have to check the behavior of glucose with the age. Means if age is increasing, so is our glucose increasing? Mean to say that mostly the old age person are the diabetic person, because glucose capacity will decide the person is diabetic or not. Okay, which one? The diabetic and non-diabetic. Okay, so this is very good thing, good problem statement. So first of all, I have to show my data frame. Okay, so what I do, check this step by step. First of all, my data set is mixture, so I have to filter the record of first. What is my uh once means the patient diabetic, and what is my zero. So step one, filter the diabetic person. Okay, so what I do for this, I take one more data frame, df data frame underscore diabetic. Okay, so what I do, I have to filter those rows. I take df, again df dot outcome column, means I am capturing the outcome column whose value equal to 1. Okay, means those ones who have a diabetic. And check df dot head, df underscore d dot head. Or let's check this one. All the things are there. Now step number 2, filter non-diabetic patient. Step number 2, filter non-diabetic patient. All right, so again same thing, I am copying what I'm copying and just change the data frame, that is a ND, non-diabetic, and non D for diabetic, and those values is 0. And I'm checking the NDs. Check this one, these are 0. My data set is clear, I mean one is separated. Okay, now I have to establish the relationship between glucose and somewhere is age. Okay, so what I do, I take plt dot figure plt dot figure fixed size, oops, I take, I have to put a two plots in one row, 10 width and 5 height. Okay, later on I will adjust this one. Okay, so what happened, plt dot subplot. Okay, one rows, two columns, first plot. What I do, plt dot scatter, plt scatter. Rather than typing, I just copy. Okay, I just copy all the things. Yes, all the things ready made. Okay, the x value, the y value, x value is my. Now you have to pay attention over here. So first of all, I am taking the diabetic data set. So what is my data set? That is df underscore d. Okay, so on x-axis I have to put the x values, age values, dot age. Then on y-axis again I have to put the glucose value. Then by default, it's a dots, no problem. C equal to red color, perfect. I just keep these parameter. On x-axis I have age, on y-axis I have what we say glucose, and the label is diabetic. All right, perfect. Similarly, copy paste this one, control V. It's for non-diabetic. Okay, again this index is for 2. Non-diabetic contain the ND, same data frame, just, and color equal to blue. Okay, is perfect, and this is non-diabetic. All right, and then plt dot show. Little bit size is very big, so I just reducing the size. S equal to 5, equal to 5. Control C, and S equal to 5, control V. 5. All right, and any data over there? No, perfect. Now check this one. These are the non-diabetic, these are the diabetic. Okay, check this range. Mostly the point is starting from here. All right, so this is range of 100. All right, and then here the point is starting over here. So this is range of 75. So you find that the person is non-diabetic, their glucose value is lesser than the person is diabetic, their glucose value is higher. So in this, using a scatter plot, you can find over there that you can find the behavior of data scatter form. This is the main advantage. Okay, so you can also compare these things yourself. About problem statement I put over here as a homework. I am extending this problem statement to mm, multiple things, just like analyze the behavior of glucose to and blood pressure. Okay, this is problem statement 2. I mean glucose, blood vibration, blood pressure. Then problem statement 3, blood pressure between the age increasing, so blood pressure increasing. Why old people have the blood pressure? So check this data set. It has the compatibility with the biological reflection or not. Okay, then we have age versus BMI, body mass index. Okay, this is problem statement number 4. So this thing you have to do, put side by side comparison. Then I understand you have the better understanding of this one. Now the question answer session. I hope you enjoy.
Sir, I have two questions.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Uh, sir, sir, I have two questions.
Hmm.
Sir, from the last that scatter plot one, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So the graph one, sir.
Mm-hmm. This one?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
So
please.
there are two, sir. We can see 2 points. The both graphs are to the extreme lowest. Yes,
That
sir.
is known as the outliers. Outliers. Okay. These are the outliers. These point available in your data set. That's why it is reflecting over here.
Okay, so that means these values are not don't have any value means.
No, these have a data points. I mean, these are coordinate over there. I mean, these data set have these value. That's why. But this point known as the outlier points, non-continuous value. Someone is speaking. What happened, Pratyush? Please mute yourself.
So he's saying we don't take it into consideration.
Okay, actually, I thought that someone else talked. Okay, okay. I mean, that is the outliers point. Outliers point available in your data set. All right.
So one more question.
Mhm.
Uh, sir, how to decide like which kind of visualization to be used in particular data set?
That is a very big question. Actually, this question answer you when I teach you Seaborn because this pandas or matplotlib contain the conventional plot. Okay, and then when you come in C1, there is a categorical, non-categorical, univariate, bivariate plot. Then I will tell you how to decide which kind. See, you have to plot everything in the process of EDA, exploratory data analysis. But how we go with particular plot? This thing I will explain you Seaborn library because I tell you where we divide the thing in category, non-category plot, univariate and bivariate plot. There you find the suitability of this answer very much. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, any more question? Otherwise, we bind. Yes, Venkatesh ji. This CSV file I handed over you. I mean, someone have the Google Drive link? Please share over here. Shared this PDF. I mean, link very few days ago. Yeah, this one. I just copy this link in my drive. Oh, I mean, Jupyter notebook. So when you download this one, so you got the data setting over also. Yeah, that is best way. Okay, data set link. So you guys also download this one and even the menus. Click this one, you will navigate directly. It's a zip file. Extract, you have 2 or 3 data set. Otherwise, UCI machine learning site sufficient enough. Alright. Any more question? Mm, you will take this one, this coding, this. Why? I will share the entire PDF to you, dear. No problem. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I will share the PDF surely. You can get this login. You have a login, so you get this PDF. Okay. Okay. Any more questions so that I can take the query of a new participant? Yes, yes, Priyanka Pawar. Now you can unmute yourself. Now you can ask me the question. Actually, we taught very good, lot of thing. I mean, regarding the Python, and this is the third library I am teaching you. So what you have to do when you got the enrollment, when you got enrolled, latestly just today or tomorrow, yesterday. Okay, so I am giving you one link. You find all the previous recordings. I just okay, and you got the login or not? Login credential or not? Okay, so what you have to do? First of all, this thing contain the one YouTube playlist. So from day first, what I taught to all students available over here. When you click this one, you will go navigate to playlist of your YouTube. So from very first introduction, demonstration, everything is mentioned over here till last class. Okay, so you have to go on through over there, and then you can ask me any question. Okay, tomorrow do we don't have session. Actually, tomorrow we have a family function, so tomorrow we don't have session. Okay, I just type. I will take extra session on Saturday. Okay, tomorrow we don't have session.
again Saturday, sir. I
And
have problem.
uh,
I already told when I enrolled to the course.
no, that's good, that's your problem, but where we have family functions, so what I do, I have to
No,
committed,
no, sir.
I
I
have
have to.
committed to management that I will take 5 day in class, so otherwise
Yes,
Saturday will
yes,
be.
sir. Take it in morning then.
Dear, I have no time. I have busy from up to morning 8 till right 10. No slots is there. So see, I'm promising you whatever you are present in the last session or not.
No, sir. Last Saturday I missed the class, but
S-
I go through the recording.
Okay. So any query regarding last class?
No,
I am
sir.
promising you any doubt is there, I will clear it out. Well, understand in between the function I can't take the class. Many DJ VJ song like that. So you know family function in your home, so you can't do attend the class. Same thing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I am also, see, I am teacher, but I am husband, I am son, I am the brother. So many role I am playing. So I have to coordinate all of these things. All right.
Okay,
Okay. We
sir.
are meeting on Wednesday. Okay. So you please do, and we have Sunday for you. I have Sunday for you. Sunday 11 a.m. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear.
How do you everything, sir? Like when you're going to begin the
You
classes and all.
please repeat your question.
How do you inform the uh, candidates like you are taking the class on
Uh,
particular this time or you
yeah.
are not taking the class?
There is a broadcast list. I mean, the concerned person, what data I give you? What data I can give you? The here the Raki ma'am is there. Yes, they will in immediate case, just like I'm some sudden reason to not take the class, this person inform you. Otherwise, you got the information from my side. Okay,
Okay.
okay, and
Then
you
how
go
do
on.
you contact
Uh, the,
any
actually,
the
I
right
don't
people
have.
or
Actually, I don't have the contact number that particular person, Raki ma'am. Only the contact person. She will provide you every information. If you don't have the login, see on login you have what we say the notes over there. This was in login. When you open, there is a notes section. You find the daily PDF. What I'm sharing you, you find from there. Just like you see, live classes in data science. Day by day, what I'm teaching you in what recording available on YouTube, same notes over here till the last class. When you open this one, you are able to see the PDF and you can download this PDF. Okay, so I'm requesting you to go with the first uh, thing. Here I teach everything, how to install the Anaconda software and how to install the Jupyter notebook, how to use the Jupyter notebook. Everything is spoon feeding, one by one a step is there. All right, and then after you have any problem, meet me on Wednesday. I will resolve query. You can drop me email my uh, written over here. I mean, this is my email. Live classes, this one, copy all the things, copy paste all the things. And this is non-technical query. I mean, your login is not there. I mean, any non-technical query except the teaching. Second one, the first one is mine. All right.
okay.
So
Okay.
thank you so much all. Please do all the things, very interesting things. All right. Thank you so much, dear. Good night.
Okay, sir.
Yes, any questions there, Ashish?
Sir, I tried this code. Can you tell me what is the error?
Where is your code? You try
In
DF.
chat box?
What you do, you want to put both condition. Put the and. Put the and.
Put the end.
Yeah, I just write in chat box. Please wait. uh, and between the comma, you try both condition. Alright, I
Yes,
teach you this thing, I teach you. And one more thing, you have to put in parenthesis. You check my that PDF I shared in pandas. I think you don't share, you don't check the last one, the pandas
I
part 2.
okay.
Just wait.
Sir,
Actually, you guys not checking the thing. Actually, I approximately teach
no, sir.
everything.
I tried all the codes, but I didn't
Just wait,
find
just
the
wait,
logic.
just wait, just wait. I'm telling you, I remember that I taught this thing to you.
Yes, sir. I know.
Hmm.
I know.
Beside this you are asking,
हाँ सर सर सर
याद आ गया, दिख गया।
हाँ
ऐसे दिखना चाहिए, देखो ये है ना, ये एंड का है। इसको
सर
35 से बंद करना।
सर ये फिल्टर मैं बिजी था फिल्टर तक पहुंचा नहीं था मैं
सर पहुंच जाएगी ये, वरना ऐसे कंफ्यूज रहेंगे आप, ठीक है ना। ये है आपका पूरा सोल्यूशन, यही चीज़ तुम कर रहे हो, ठीक है ना। थैंक यू सो मच दिया।